Hi, my name is John. In this video I will tell you about 5 tips for successful real estate investing. Investing in real estate is one of the oldest forms of investing, having been around since the early days of human civilization. The tips are: 1. Set investment goals. Setting clear and specific investment goals becomes your roadmap and action plan to becoming financially independent. Your goals can include the number of properties you need to acquire each year, the annual cash flow they generate, the type of property, and the location of each. 2. Never speculate. Always invest with a long-term perspective in mind. Never speculate on quick short-term gains in appreciation, even in a heated market experiencing double-digit gains. 3. Invest for cash flow. Always try to buy investment property with a positive cash flow. The higher, the better. Your cash-on-cash return is directly related to the before-tax cash flow from your property. 4. Leverage your investment capital. You can leverage your investment capital in real estate by borrowing other people's money, OPM, to purchase and control income-producing property. 5. Use professional property management. Property management requires a solid understanding of tenant-landlord laws, good marketing skills, and strong people skills to deal with tenant complaints. You can use a professional property management company to do this for you. So these are the 5 tips for successful real estate investing. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.